Hey guys, it is Louisa. Hello everybody, it is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. You're gonna have to ignore my voice because in the morning, recently my voice has been really croaky because I've been ill. So my voice will get better during the day, but at the moment it's quite croaky, so I'm really sorry about that. But if you didn't watch my last video or you don't follow my Instagram, you wouldn't know, but basically I'm going to be uploading every single day from the 15th of December up until Christmas, because when you're watching this I've broken up for the Christmas holidays for 4 weeks, so I'm going to have loads of spare time to upload. But I thought today I'd vlog because today's my last day of school, and it's also my brother's 18th birthday and we're going out tonight, so I thought I'd vlog it. So the time's currently about 7:15 in the morning, and I'm going to get changed into my school uniform and then I'm probably to go see my brother because it's his birthday. Happy birthday, Henry.
Thank you.
So I've just got ready for school and I'm going to leave the house now. I forgot to say we only have school until 12:15, so I'll be able to vlog after school and stuff because I'm going to be doing some stuff. So yeah, I'll show you my school uniform. This is my school uniform, but I'm covering up my school logo. I just have a skirt, a black jumper with my logo, and then my shirt. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the house now. I'll probably won't film that much at school, but I'll try. So we've just come out of school, the time's like 20 to 1 and we're going to go to McDonald's. Just arrived at McDonald's. I probably won't vlog in there because there'll be loads of people at school because like, everyone goes after school, so yeah. We just finished at McDonald's. I got a McFlurry because I love the like new Malteser one, so yeah, I'll vlog again when I get back home, and I'll probably open my advent calendar because I haven't done that yet. I'm back home now. I'm actually still on my phone, but I'm going to switch to my camera because obviously I can use my camera now I'm at home. But I got my report, I've opened it. I'm actually quite happy with it because I've got all 6s and above, which is like pretty good because I'm only at the first term of my GCSEs. To be getting 6s now, it's pretty decent. So I'm happy with my report, and I've got like all the comments from my teachers in here as well, and my school bill, and just some like newsletters and stuff. My cousin is on the front of the newspaper, which is quite funny, but you know, I like the school newspaper, but because he's like he's like used to go to my school, so yeah. But I'm going to open my advent calendar, but I'm going to get my camera to do that because I don't want to go on my phone anymore because the quality is really bad, so I'm sorry about that. So I've just switched over onto my camera now, and I thought I'd show you my brother's presents because I can't remember if I mentioned this, but today when I'm filming this, it's my brother's 18th birthday. It's the 14th of December, but all of his presents are just on the floor, and he's got these balloons, and then he's got this 18 balloon, and his main present was like a car and a phone. So he hasn't got as much. Most of these presents are from like other family members, but that's my present for him. So I also need to go wrap some Christmas presents. I haven't got all of my presents yet for my family. I've ordered some, but I'm going shopping some point next week to get some more little bits for my presents. So let me know if you want to see like a Christmas shopping vlog maybe. I did one of them like a few weeks ago, but it will be more Christmassy, and the place where I go shopping at Christmas is so Christmassy. Like it's one of like the most Christmassy like cities in England like at Christmas time, so it'll be really, really good. By the way, not all of the days are going to be vlogs up until Christmas. Some of them will be like main channel like sit down videos, but some of them I just like doing vlogs. I don't know, I find them really fun to film and to edit. Okay, so I'm going to open my advent calendar. I've got a Thornton's one this year. I love Thornton's ones because you get your name at the bottom and then you get like 3 chocolate snowmen down the side, but I've already had one of them, so yeah. Today's the 14th of December, but I think, yeah, I forgot to open yesterday, so I'm going to open the 13th and the 14th. So we've got a picture of a belt. I don't really know why, but you know. What chocolate do we have? We have, I don't even know what that chocolate's meant to be, but you know, got that. And then let's open day number 14. Yeah. Okay, we've got a boy on a sledge. That's my foot, by the way. And our chocolate is Santa. So yeah, I'm gonna eat these now. Let's do a taste test. That is good.
Oh, thank you very much.
What do you think to that?
That's exactly the one I wanted as well.
So I'm getting ready to go out for the meal. I've just curled my hair, you can't really see it. Yeah, and I'm gonna do my makeup, but I've got like 5 minutes, so it will. I'm just about to leave the house. Before I go, my jumper's from New Look and my jeans are from Topshop, and I'm gonna wear my Nike Air Force and my Topshop coat. So yeah, I'm going for my brother's birthday meal, by the way. That's why I've like coloured my hair and stuff. So we're just in Pizza Express now. It's really loud, so I can't really speak, but I'm really excited because I love Pizza Express so much. Pizza Express and we're now going back to the car.
Out if you need a way. I'm going to be on your car.
I've just got back now and I'm running myself a bath because I'm so tired, literally. Don't even know why, but I'm tired, so I'm going to get in the bath and I'll probably end the vlog a bit later. So I just got out of the bath and I'm going to end the vlog here because it's like 9:30 or 10 and I'm not going to be doing anything for the rest of the evening other than like just going on my phone and like texting friends and stuff. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'm sorry it wasn't the most interesting vlog in the world, but my videos will get better, so make sure to leave some video ideas down below that you'd like to see because I'm going to be uploading 10 different videos and I definitely need to be filming some soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys all tomorrow and I love you all lots. Bye!